This video will show you how to add transitions in OBS. Start by launching OBS. You should see a Scene Transitions panel to the bottom right. If this menu is missing, then you can enable it by clicking View, Docs, and Scene Transitions. You can select your transition through the drop-down menu under Scene Transitions. By default, Fade and Cut should already be loaded. More transitions are available via the plus icon. When you create a new transition, you can name it and adjust its settings. These settings can always be modified later via the gear icon. You can also change the duration of the transition from the main OBS window. Most custom transitions are stinger transitions. To add a custom transition, press the plus sign and select Stinger. Press Browse and find your transition overlay. Next, you need to allocate a time for the transition to take place. This should be where the screen is completely covered. You can appoint this time via the frame or time. I will be using frames. Next, you can set the audio transition. Press the preview button to ensure your transition works as intended. Press OK to confirm. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please be sure to drop a like and comment. Also, be sure to subscribe for more helpful tech videos. It really helps support the channel.